I need to hug you.
Usually you gotta pay for that kind of stuff.
Guys, this is terrifying, but this is our bus driver. That is the man responsible for getting us from show to show on time. And the best part is he dresses like that every day.
Every day.
Just constantly wears that thing. We can't get him to stop.
He conceives me in that outfit.
He scares a lot of people, but we love him. We love him a lot. We love him very much, and he watches us sing tonight. So it's nice.
I watch Alex sleep sometimes. He looks weird when he sleeps.
He does.
Alex sleeps with his hands in his pants.
He does. Alex does
here.
look weird when he sleeps.
Back here. Alex sleeps with his
I
pants
speak
down.
only in the third person.
Yeah.
He does. I don't do that. I'm making things up.
I've seen it.
Spreading rumors about it. I don't appreciate that. We've all seen you sleep. You passed out on stage once.
I did.
You fell asleep right on stage. Oh, there it goes. No. He doesn't. I don't understand it. I want to play your favorite song we have ever written as a band right now.